Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. How are you all?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
how
Good
are
afternoon,
you?
ma'am. I'm good.
Very nice.
Ma'am, what about you?
I'm also good. I'm fine. So, all are excited to have holidays from tomorrow?
Good
evening,
tomorrow.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to all of you.
Ma'am, for tomorrow?
Like tomorrow will be a holiday on account of Muharram, I guess.
Muharram is
ma'am.
over.
No,
I think.
already it is a Sunday. On Monday it is.
Oh, ma'am. Moram is all.
Ma'am, on
Sunday.
Monday it is Janmashtami.
Yes, on Monday it is Janmashtami. So back to back we are having holidays now.
Ma'am, then we will have 5 days
And
holiday.
the 5 days, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
then
After
5
the 5 days holidays.
Yes. So
Now,
overall,
ma'am, we will
almost
start
we
on the
had
teacher's
so many
purpose.
holidays. Yes.
एक बार
All right, children. What did we do last?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in last class, I'm not able to attend because, ma'am, your voices is not coming. My net is that time to finish.
I know you.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
sun
actually,
I remember
Ma'am?
Sanya was facing so much problem in the last class. Did you go through the recording, beta?
Ma'am, how recording work was my net is finished, and next day I forgot to say, and then I know.
Now what you will do is
Ma'am,
you will
we
watch
have
that
done-
recording. Then you will
ma'am,
understand.
we have
the-
translated the paragraph of
We
our
translated
family.
the paragraph. Okay, let me just see. Ouch. What
Ma'am,
page
school will
number?
be open. Okay, Villa, can you please
Ma'am,
send the
page
PDF?
number 79.
Page number.
Ma'am, I have already sent the PDF of 8th chapter.
Yes. La famille de Manuel, which means the family of Manuel. Okay, we are talking about the family of Manuel. We have also done this dit, re, ou, faux. Tell true or false. We have done this given below it.
No, ma'am.
No, we have not.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so this chapter is about, see, we came across two things here. Firstly, the age is always told with avoir verb. Okay, suppose I want to tell my age. In English, I will say I am 38 years old. But in French, I will not say so. In French, how am I going to tell my age? I'm going to tell I have 38 years. Okay, so I use avoir verb with that. J'ai, and what is 38? Number 38, you have not done numbers. You missed them out. The newcomers missed them out in 6th class. I told you to go through numbers, learn with Alexa, learn numbers with Alexa. How many of you actually did that? No one of you. None of you did that.
Ma'am, only a bit.
But Zara, you too learned last year also. Yes.
Ma'am, I have learned last year.
Okay, Sanya, now tell me, can you hear me properly today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So this chapter is about the grandfather who calls himself. I will quickly just translate the whole chapter. Okay, let's revise and then move on to the question answers. My grandfather calls himself Monsieur Charles Lavigne. The first line says this. Mon grand-père s'appelle. S'appelle stands for calls himself. Like I say, je m'appelle. I call. Me stands for myself. Je is I. I call
My
myself.
name.
Je m'appelle. Il s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. Suppose I want to say that she calls herself Sanya. What will I say? Elle
Il
s'appelle Sanya Alam.
As Apple Sanya.
Okay. Then he has 77 years. Il a 77 ans. Now what is 77 in French? I will type in the chat box. SOIXANTE 77 ans. This is number 77.
So and be said.
Yes, 60 means 60. 60 is number 60 and 17 is 17. Okay, so 60 and 17 makes 77. Then, il parle 4 langues. Now he speaks 4 languages. Il est adorable. He is adorable. Then next, now after that he comes to this, the person who is narrating the whole family comes to the grandmother. Ma grand-mère. Now see, when he used for his grandfather, he used the word mon. Mon also means my and ma also means my. The
But
difference,
then ma used for feminine and
yes, very nice. Mo is
mom
used for
is
masculine. And for plural, if you want to use, you use MES. That becomes me. Like my
MES,
friends, mes
Me.
amis. My students, mes élèves.
Ma'am, like how we say in Hindi.
Yes, mera, meri, and mere.
Estudiant.
Okay, mera, meri, and mere. Similar like that. Now, my grandmother calls herself Madame Françoise Lavigne. MME stands for Madame. For Mr. or Sir, what do we use? Only M as abbreviation, which means Monsieur. Then LA. Now, what is the age of grandmother? 70 years. What is 70? Number 70 in French is 60. 60 and 10. Okay. Then LM la music. She loves or she likes the
She loves
music.
music.
Elle est sympathique.
Music.
She is very kind. Not very, sorry, she is kind. Very is not. Then coming on to the next one, mon père s'appelle. Now my father calls himself Monsieur Patrick Lavigne. Il a 45 ans. Now what is number 40? Number 40 is 40 and number 5 is 5. 40 plus 5 is 45. 45.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, appel and appel, this is written. So, ma'am, we can't say this as my name is.
Yes. It
Or
is
we
also.
use this as-
See, if I want to say my name is, so I can also say Je m'appelle Neha. Which means I call myself Neha or my name is Neha. Both are same. Then the father's age is, I told you, 45 ans. Il aime le football. Now what he likes? He likes.
He likes the
He
ball.
likes the football.
Il est très intelligent. Il est très.
He is very
Très means
intelligent.
very. Il est très
He
intelligent.
is very intelligent.
Ma mère
He's very-
s'appelle. Ma mère s'appelle. Now, Madame Véronique Lavigne. The name.
My another name is.
Elle a
My
40
mother
ans.
calls.
Elle a 40 ans. 40, again, we'll take out from 45. All of you now know what number, what is 40 number. Elle aime le théâtre. Now, what does she love? She loves the
He
theater.
loves
She
theater.
likes the
Theater. And elle est jolie. Jolie stands for pretty.
She's pretty.
pretty.
Then
Ma'am, she's not very pretty.
she's only pretty. Yes, not very. She's pretty. Then, mon frère s'appelle Denis Lavigne. Il a
My brother calls.
16 ans. Now, what is number 16? 6. Okay. Then, elle aime le rugby. He loves rugby.
He
Rugby,
likes
sorry.
rugby.
In English, we call it rugby. Il est beau. Now he is handsome. Ma sœur s'appelle Catherine Lavigne. My sister calls
My
herself
sister.
Catherine Lavigne. Elle a 8 ans. HUIT, number 8.
8 years.
Elle aime la glace. What is la glace?
Ma'am, school.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
She
Yes, ma'am.
likes ice cream. Elle est petite. She is small, very small. Not very, sorry, she is small. Then, the last line, et c'est moi. C'est moi avec mes grands-parents. And this is me. C'est moi means this is me.
And this is me.
Avec. Now, what is avec? Avec means with.
With.
Ma'am.
My grandparents.
with.
Now, they have used mo also, they have used ma also, and they have used
Mom.
in the chapter. Just to show you the difference between all the miles. Okay? How it is used.
Ma'am, how many chapters are coming in exam?
In exam, you will have, I'll recheck, I think 7 and 8. Chapter 7 and chapter 8. And 6
Okay,
also.
ma'am.
Yes, 6, 7, 8. All 3 are coming.
Okay, ma'am. I think so. You are saying 7 and 8 means 7 chapters are there.
No. Number 7 and number 8. And 6 also. 3 chapters coming in your half years. Then, now, come on to the exercise the tray UFO. Hurry up. I'm giving you 2 minutes. I have explained the whole chapter. Now just try to make these relationships, what they have written in these true and false. And as you do, just show me a raised hand emoji to let me know.
Ma'am,
you
it
have
is
done.
true first.
Yes. Okay. Ray means true and faux means false.
Ma'am, the third one, true and false, ma'am, I am not able to see that. It's not clear.
The third one says La grand-mère de Denis aime le théâtre. Now, who is Dennis? Dennis is the brother of Manuel, the one who is narrating the whole family, describing the whole family. The line says the grandmother of Dennis loves the theater. Is it so?
No, ma'am. Her mother likes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And then what is written in fifth one, it is also not clear. I'm not able to see that because light is.
What beta?
Ma'am, fifth one. When the light was coming, I'm not able to see that what is written.
Okay, I'll read out the fifth one. Try to understand. Le frère de Catherine. Le frère de Catherine s'appelle Dennis.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please tell of whom in the fourth one is it talking about?
What? Once again say.
Ma'am, in fourth one, it's written, ma'am, it is written like she is
Yes.
70 years old.
She has. It is written correct. Now, who has? Who is
And then
70
who?
years? Yes, it is in reference to the
grandmother.
third sentence. Read out the third sentence and immediate next is they're talking about she. Then that she is grandmother only.
Ma'am, done.
And okay, Zahra has done, Sanya has done. What about Paridhi? Kibla, Kanak has also done.
I'm just doing.
Okay, Kibla and Paridhi are still left. Okay, Zahra, write the answer of the first one in the chat box. Re UFO. Just write the word. Sanya, write the answer of the second. Kanak, write the answer of the third one. Just put numbers 1, 2, 3 and then give the answer.
I'm done.
Okay, give the answer of the
Okay,
fourth one,
third
Kibla.
one.
Okay, ma'am.
And Paridhi, if you have done, give the answer of the fifth one, beta. Okay, first answer is correct by Zahra. Second answer is not yet there. Third answer is... Who has given third answer? Kanak. Beta, third answer is not correct. Read out the sentence. The third one says, the grandmother of Dennis loves the theater. It is not given that the grandmother loves the theater. Who loves the theater? The mother loves the theater.
Mother.
Okay, then Kibla says 4 is, yes. 4 is correct. Ray. Why, Sanya? Why do you say think that question 4, the answer should be false? Yes.
Let me see. She
Ma'am,
is 77 old. So, ma'am, she is.
Oh, who said she's 77? 77 is the age of grandfather. Read the passage
Ma'am,
again.
she's 70.
Yes. Soissons these is 70. And who is 70? Grandmother is 70. Okay, correct answer, Paridhi.
Oh,
Yes, now you get.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm thinking.
Okay, done. Everyone is clear about the answers? Everyone has understood? Now come on to the next page. For the next page, take out your copies.
Ma'am, can you please tell the answer of second? True, false.
Okay, second answer is not there. Whom did I tell it to?
Ma'am, to Sanya.
Sanya. Okay, she mustn't have heard it. Le fille de Charles aime le football. Okay, what does le fille means? F-I-L-S means son. S-O-N, son. If we are talking about one son also, the word is F-I-L-S. And if we are talking about more than one, like I have 2 sons, then also I will use F-I-L-S only.
Ma'am, so is this means the son of Charles like the football?
Yes. Now in the chapter, who likes football?
Ma'am, father himself.
Father. Now father is the son of whom?
Ma'am,
Charles.
Charles.
Charles left.
And he loves football. Now is it true or false?
Ma'am, this one.
This is
True.
true. It's Ray. Ray. Okay. Now take out your copies and write down the next question on page number 80. Répondez. Répondez is to reply. Now what you have to reply to? Comment s'appelle le père de Manuel? Comment s'appelle le père? Now, whose name is being asked in the question? Yes,
Manuel.
not at all. Kibla, read the question
Yeah.
once again.
What is the name of the father of the Manuel?
Yes.
And what is his age?
Comment s'appelle le père de Manuel? What is the age of the father of
Father of Manuel.
Manuel?
Manuel.
Okay.
I'm 45.
Then, quel âge a-t-il? What is his age? First of all, they have asked the name of the father of Manuel and then the age. Write down the question, then we'll frame the answer, the correct language, what the language of the answer is going to be. Now, in English, if I answer this question, I'm going to say the father of Manuel calls himself and his name. This is how we are going to say in English. Now,
Yes,
who can tell the answer in French? Read out from the book only and tell the
Ma'am,
answer.
I can tell, but just a second, ma'am, please.
Yes, take your time. Okay, Kibla. Meanwhile, Kibla will start telling.
Ma'am, mon père s'appelle
Why, mon père?
Monsieur Patrick.
So that is your father, beta. You are telling the age of name of your father. What is being asked in the question? What is the name of Manuel's father?
Manuel père s'appelle Monsieur Patrick.
Le père de Manuel. We will say the father of Manuel. Le père de Manuel s'appelle Monsieur Patrick Lavigne. That's correct. And the second part, quel âge a-t-il? Now, what is the answer to this one, Sanya?
Describe the sister of Manuel.
Yes, what is the answer?
Ma'am,
Okay, Zahra, tell the answer.
ma'am, Manuel Sir s'appelle Catherine Lavigne, L.A. 8 years old, ma'am. L.A.
Whose name did you tell, Sanya? What did you speak? Catherine Lavigne. Catherine is the name of the sister, beta. Whose name are you taking? Whose name are you taking?
Sister.
Okay, just tell me the answer to the, don't write the answer in copies right now. I will type it in the chat box, then you will write. Zara, yes, beta, tell.
Ma'am, I'm writing question.
Ma'am, quatre C.
No, not in one word. You have to tell the whole line. What is his age? His age
Ma'am,
is...
his quatre C.
Okay, you will write this in English. His age is 4 ans. You will write like this.
Ma'am,
Then, yes, Kibla, what will you write?
ma'am, we will write il a quatre cinq.
Very nice. Il a
And ma'am, our
4
word.
ans. Okay, now what the
Ma'am,
answer
we
is?
will use.
But ma'am, in second person, it is written the describe Manuel or describe the sister of Manuel.
Beta, we are talking about first question, second part. We have not come to
Yes,
the second question right now.
Ma'am,
Achha,
we will
you
not
were
use
describing
the
Catherine. You started describing Catherine.
Yes, ma'am. That's why. Okay.
Anya, this is all due to your bad network.
Ma'am, we will not use our verb.
We will use in age, that is why
Ma'am, we are using.
il a 45 ans, not 4 ans. It's 40. Number 40 is 40. Okay, now write down the answer in your copies. Like in English, we always say Neha's father, Neha's mother, Zehra's brother, Zehra's sister. Okay. But in French, हम कैसे कहते हैं? The sister of Zehra, the father of Qibla, the mother of Sanya. We are going to say like this. That is why I wrote in the answer, Le père de Manuel, which means the father of Manuel.
That's why, ma'am, I'm holding answer number 2, and you're saying that what you are holding.
Yes, what you're saying, what you're telling.
Ma'am, if I'm knowing the answer, but still I can't tell the answer because I don't know how to pronounce that
Which
word.
word? Okay, tell me which word you want to know the pronunciation.
Ma'am, sometime it happens. Ma'am,
Beta,
not now.
please don't worry about it. If you don't know the pronunciation, just go on speaking. The more you'll speak, the more you'll learn. This is how I have also learned. I was not born in a French country. You make mistakes and you learn.
Okay, ma'am. Written.
Ma'am, is it about to rain at your place?
What about your place?
Yes, ma'am, it is about.
Ma'am, here also.
Ma'am, it's sun outside.
But outside of my house, it is raining.
It is what? It's cloudy.
Ma'am, rain
Yes,
has
ma'am.
started also.
Rain has already started. It has started raining. Oh, wonderful.
But it is not heavily.
Okay, now coming on to the next question. Décrivez la sœur de Manuel. Décrivez means to describe. Describe the sister of Manuel. Now, how do we have to describe the sister of Manuel? Tell me. In description, when you give somebody's description, first of all, you tell his name. Then you tell about his age. Then, if you know anything additional, like how she looks or what her likes and dislikes are. This is how we describe a person. Yes?
Yes.
So whatever is given about Manuel's sister in this chapter, we are going to describe. We are going to write all the lines. The only thing is, don't think that you have to learn such a big answer, ma'am. How will you learn such a big answer? No. See, you know how to tell age. You know how to tell adjectives. You know how to use adjectives. You know how to tell somebody's name, right? So these 3 lines are sorted. And then about the likes and dislikes depends on what is given in the lesson. Okay. Now suppose I tell you to describe me. So what are you going to describe? About my name, then about my profession, then about my name, profession, age, right? This is what you know about me. And then you can put an adjective according to your own choice.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is how you will describe. So now tell me who is going to describe La Sœur de Manuel. Okay. Now what you will do is, all of you I know want to describe it because you all know the answer. All of you type in the chat box. Let me see whose answer is absolutely correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all of you
Okay,
start
ma'am.
typing.
Ma'am, please say, just now my camera is off or on?
It is off because you want to type something, so it goes off. You are using a phone now.
Ma'am, can you please tell how we write and?
Beta, and is written as et. A c'est moi. Now see the last line of the chapter. And it is me. Et stands for and.
Okay. Ma'am, by mistake in the end I have written and by mistake.
What, beta?
Ma'am, by mistake in the end I have written at and in the end.
Okay, so let me read out. Kanak has sent. Beta, we are not talking about the mother. We are talking about the sister. And what Mare means mother. Now mother is 8 years old. You have written everything correct in the answer, Kanak. The only thing is you have changed the person. Zahra, beta, your sister's name is Catherine. We didn't know.
No, ma'am, I just
Then
written that my
whose sister is Catherine? Manuel's sister, na? So you
and
should
manual.
then your answer goes wrong here. Very good, Kibla. Very nice. Correct. Absolutely correct answer. Okay, Sanya. Correct line. You have told the correct name and age. Both sentences are correct.
So ma'am,
Ma'am,
we will
when
write this answer
I want to
only.
write on the chat box, so I'm writing. So by mistakenly, when I'm reading it, I read from the book and I write in English in the copy.
Oh, you wrote it in the English. Oh, sorry, in English. Okay. Now, what you will do is you have to do these two questions in your copy. Okay, I am sending the answer in the chat box. You have to do these two questions in the copy. Okay, do them right now and then show me a thumbs up. Then we'll move ahead. Now in the next class.
When I was writing this answer and I was about to write the age of Catherine, so I write she is 8 years old in English.
Yes, this happens. Now be prepared to describe your father, your mother, or your brother, or your sister. You will get anyone to describe in the exam. Okay, in French.
Well, I've done.
In the copy, both the questions. Very nice, very good. Okay, what are grandparents called in French?
Grandpère and grandmère.
No, I'm asking what are grandparents called? parents. The pronunciation of parents in French is parents. Parents. It has the same spelling, but we pronounce it as parents. Okay. Then grandfather. Now, what is grandfather? It's grand-père, and grandmother is grand.
Grand-mère.
Parents are, what are parents?
Mom, mère and père.
Parents, not father and mother. What are parents? Parents, les parents. Yes, this is how you're going to say the parents, les parents. Then, what are grandchildren called? First of all, what are children called? Children are called enfants. ENFANTS. Enfant. See, it is given on page number 80. Just go through this family tree that is made. Children are called enfant, and what are grandchildren called? Grandchildren are called les petits enfants. What do we call les petits enfants? Why? Because we are talking about more than one child. So we have put petit in plural. And when we speak enfant and petit together, so what we do? We call it petits enfants. Les petits enfants. Then
Okay, ma'am.
the grandson. What is the grandson called? Le petit fils.
Le petit fils.
Le petit fils. And what is the granddaughter called? See?
La petite
La
fille.
petite
Now
fille.
everything changes here. Le changes to la. Petit changes to petite. We add E in petite. And a daughter is called F-I-double-L-E. While a son is called F-I-L-S. Okay? Then
Ma'am.
we know that enfant, children are called les enfants, and brother is le frère, mother, sister is la sœur. Correct? Yes, all done.
Yeah, okay.
Done all the
Ma'am,
questions. Yes.
ma'am, son is known as La Fils, F-I-L-S, and daughter is F-I-double-E, and brother and sister is different.
Yes, brother and sister is different. Now see,
Excuse me,
when I say, just a minute, Sarah. When I say le fille, what am I saying? I'm saying the girl, daughter, or I'm saying the son. Tell me, le fille.
ma'am, the boy. The
Boy. Yes, the son. Why? Because I just said le fille. And if I want to say the daughter, what will I say? La fille. La fille. Now, how you
La
will come to know the
fille.
difference? You will only come to know the difference with the difference of pronunciation between la and la. So that is why it is very important to have a clear distinction, clear discrimination between the pronunciation of both. Okay? That is why I always keep emphasizing on this thing that your la, la and lay should be correctly pronounced because it changes the meaning of the noun also.
Ma'am, we are at last minute. Bye, ma'am. Have a great day.
We are at
Ma'am, you said that la fille. So, ma'am, the spelling will be same for the grandson and the grand. Love.
what are you saying,
So the
Sarah? I didn't understand the
spelling-
question.
Ma'am, you said that for grandson we say la fille. So the spelling of fille and for the granddaughter will be the same.
No, but it is not the same. It is F-I-L-S for son, and for daughter it is F-I-double-L-E.
Okay, ma'am.
Pronunciation of both is same, fee and fee. So how we are going to discriminate? We are going to discriminate through that la and la. This is what I'm telling
Okay,
you, that
ma'am.
la and la should be clearly pronounced. If I say la fee and you type L-E-F-I-L-L-E, that also becomes wrong because a girl will never take masculine definite article. Correct?
Ma'am, can you please repeat pronunciation?
Better now the
of
class will get over. Next week I'll start with the same concept and let you know. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.